Hello guys, this is Supernised Media. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that if I post a new video, you will always get notified. So guys, today is a day of good news for Nigerians. For Nigerians all over the world and those in Nigeria. Something good, a good news dropped today, and it's about Innoson. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company that is based in Nnewi, Anambra State is now manufacturing Tricycle, which is known as Keke and Pepe in Nigeria. Yesterday, the new Deputy Governor of Anambra State visited Innoson factory for a test run of the Keke and Pepe. You know, the test run, everything was done and everything was successful. The Deputy Governor of Anambra State was impressed with the product. And there is another good news about Innoson Keke and Pepe. The very good news is that it is way cheaper than other brands of Keke and Pepe that we have in Nigerian market. It is way cheaper because of course you can't compare made in Nigeria to imported item. The one that's made in Nigeria will always be more cheaper. It will be cheaper than the ones imported. So that's what Innoson has been doing for us. So many decades ago, Innoson did the same thing in motorcycles. That time, the price of motorcycle in the market was so high because they were all imported. So Innoson, Chief Innoson Chukwuma, took it upon himself. He started importing and assembling first, crashing the price of motorcycle, the price of the foreign brands, and with time he started producing motorcycles here in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is now the same thing that he's trying to do in the vehicle sector with his vehicles, and now he's now on it in the Keke and Pepe. So this man deserves an accolade. Chief Innoson Chukwuma is an exemplary man. He deserves accolade by the people, by the government, and he needs more support because all these things that he's doing now, if he's not getting support from the government, it won't be so effective. He needs support from the government in terms of, you know, backing him up, making him his vehicles, his Keke and Pepe, the official vehicle and official Keke for the country. Then with time, they will start increasing the tariff of importing Keke and Pepe so that his own indigenously produced Keke and Pepe will have advantage in the market. That is how it's done all over the world. That's how to grow a local brand. China did it, India did it, so many countries are doing it. So that's how countries progress. That's how to support locally made products. So today is a day of joy for Innoson, for Nigeria, for the government of Nigeria, for everybody. In fact, it is a thing of joy because we have been calling on people that will go into manufacturing because Naira is crashing. Dollar is getting high and high, and we need our GDP to grow. And the only way that Nigeria can grow the GDP is by production, local production, so that we can be doing more of exportation instead of importation. So if you go on Twitter now, Innoson is trending on Twitter at this moment. So many news platforms, they have been carrying this news. If you see the comments, there are more of positive comments than negative. You know, there is nothing, that's no matter what, you will always see negative comments, but there are just very few. Majority are positive comments, showing you that this is a good move by Innoson Vehicles, by Chief Innoson Chukwuma. So let's congratulate this man and patronize him